Before we jump into the next video, I would love to take this opportunity to shout out the video sponsor, Distributed. Distributed is a tech-enabled startup founded on the belief that businesses of the future will thrive without the need for technical development teams in-house. Using the Distributed platform, clients can work with fully managed, globally distributed teams as easily as local teams, allowing you to build and maintain software faster, safer, with more visibility than ever before. If you are in the market, follow the link in the description below and make your way over to the estimation page. Here you can submit useful project details and in as little as 5 minutes get a response back on next steps. Thank you. Sup YouTube, I'm back. Welcome to my channel, All the Smoke. Today we've got a special guest. What's your name?
My name's George. Get me about to fry that chicken.
All right, so today I got a special episode. I'm excited because we're doing the first CopyCat video. Any of you guys who are from the States, America, we're doing a Chick-fil-A spicy chicken burger. It's a copycat, so we've got all the ingredients. We've got to make sure we put it together, right? And we're going to give a little taste test at the end to make sure that it really tastes as good. There you go. So, big times, the process is easy. As always, I've got in the description below, I've got all the ingredients of what's going on in here. I'll bring it up here. Then over here, we've got the wet ingredients. Prickle juice, water, milk, eggs.
Prickle juice.
Yeah, that's a good point. Not prickle juice.
Pickle juice.
Pickle juice. Yeah.
Pickle juice.
So, what's it called? Now my
juice,
mind is all over the place. Yeah. So we got that, milk, water, and eggs. This is the wet mix. So we get the chicken, we put it in here, then we put it in the dry mix, then we do it again, put it in the dry mix, then it goes in the drying rack. Once we've done all of them, we've got about 9 pieces of chicken here. So we're making chicken 6.
What do you mean?
9 chicken burgers.
We got 8 burgers.
Is it 8?
We got 8.
All right, so we've got 8 burgers in here. Now I think we've got 9. So we'll see at the end. I think you're gonna make quite a bit of mess with the wet stuff. That's why I'm doing the wet stuff.
Don't worry about me wins.
All right, so as always,
Dip.
indeed.
Get
that right.
Make sure that goes in there righteously.
Legit. You know when you go to them butchers that are local?
Yeah,
the man are suspect. The man are suspect still.
yeah.
They don't even know what meat cuts they got.
They don't know what's going on.
They don't know what meat cuts is happening.
I'm asking for lamb chops, giving me curry goat.
Oi, that's been doubled, yeah?
I know this has been doubled. Look at that. Perfect.
Bring it in, let's see it.
Perfect. Look at that. Zoom in.
That came through.
I'm taking my time. These hands are
look, left-handers. Look how much mess is on this side compared to my side.
It's fine. If you don't make a mess in the kitchen, you ain't doing it right. But I do know who's left-handed. Aunt Bessie. That's who's left-handed. You make them wicked. She knows how to throw it down in the kitchen.
As you can see, let's bring this in. Check that out. These are looking peak. All right, guys, we're gonna flip it to the next one, get the fryer out and start frying. All right, guys, the moment we've been waiting for. as you know, we have some really, really crispy pieces of chicken breast. Put that a little bit forward. Line that up. Which piece do you want, mate? Which piece do you want?
I know what piece you want.
I'm a generous host.
You're looking at that middle piece.
I'm a generous host. I'm looking right here.
Nah, you're looking at this middle piece right here.
Pick what you want. Pick what you want.
This piece
No, if you want the middle one, go for it.
That's gonna overlap.
Okay, go on. No worries.
I'm gonna pick this piece here.
Okay, you want that piece, yeah? Alright, you know I'm gonna go.
Yeah, I know you're gonna go for that, man.
But the way we're gonna build it is you put the sauce on, then I put the lettuce on. Actually, I'm gonna put the sauce, gherkin, then the chicken, then the lettuce and tomato, and then the bun on top.
So
yeah?
my one's pretty basic.
Yeah, so bring it a bit forward so they can see how you're putting this thing together.
My one's basic. I don't think you really want to see my one.
What, just bun and chicken?
No, not that basic.
Alright, cool, let's do this. I'm going in first with the sauce. Now, guys, I forgot to say, this is my spicy mayo sauce. I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description. This thing is pretty sweet. Now, it's not for everyone, but I love it. We'll see what George thinks. Oi, I like my stuff dripping. You know when you get them burgers and they're just dripping? That's me. You see what I'm saying? Slap that bad boy on. Come on, baby.
Let's go.
I'm ready. Oi, this guy is too soft.
I'm too nice in this. I don't want my burger drenched. You want some wet burger? I don't understand.
Come on, mate. Alright, let's see. So you put that.
Yeah, that's me, baby.
Alright, no problem. Then I'm going in for the tomato next. Actually, I'm going in for the gherkin.
I'm gonna go in for cheese. I'm going different.
You know what we did wrong? We should have put the cheese on straight after they came out of the pan. See, I don't like how them man they do it in the shop and they give you like 1 or 2 gherkin. I'm generous to myself. Oh, you put the cheese. Okay.
I put the cheese at the bottom.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put 1 piece of lettuce.
Check it out, my
Then I'm gonna
God.
put my burger on top.
Let me see.
Then I'm gonna splatter some sauce on top.
Get some cheese. Alright, the justice we didn't do was the melting thing, but that's fine. You see that? See the artwork there.
And then,
oh my gosh.
Look at that. Look how fine that is.
My gosh, we are back, and it's looking peak. I want to show you guys on the top camera view, but I think it's gonna break, isn't it? I'm gonna show you guys how this thing is looking. It's looking legit. Anyway, the moment. Oh Jesus! The moment we've all been waiting for, that taste test, to see if it really bangs.
To see if it's serious. That's what we need to know.
To see if it really bangs.
Is it worth all the trouble, all the double?
This is what I'm saying.
All the triple dips. Is it worth it?
Is it? Let's do it. Are you ready, George? So listen, this is how we do in the taste test. You need to give crunch, flavor. If I don't know the last time you had a Chick-fil-A burger, like how close is it to the Chick-fil-A burger? And overall, out of 10, what are we looking like?
Let's go.
All right. Come on, baby. Let's do this.
I'm gonna go for this little MPT.
Yeah.
Take me now.
You know my cousin Grace. Oh my days. This is her best burger.
The crunch is actually.
I like that. What do you like about mayo? Because I know you're a suspect with the mayo.
I don't like mayo, but this mayo is peak. This mayo is nice. The crunch. I'm giving it a 9.5.
No, George, it's legit, isn't it?
Nothing is a 10 in life, but this is 9.5.
This is legit.
It's sweet.
Oh my days.
It's got that kick. Go for the next bite. Wait.
You know the sweetness comes through. Nah. Why does man buy these? Make this at home. Stop it. Stop it. Everything.
Wait. Listen to the crunch again.
Stop it.
I don't even like mayo, but this is wicked.
You know it's a dirty burger of mine because I'm just wiping my hands.
Spicy thing.
Yeah? Don't worry. Okay.
need this camera to see my face.
Guys, I'm loving it. I love the spice. I like the mayo. I like the spice in the burger. The brioche buns are a bit soft, but I love that. I like the dirty burgers that break up.
I like the brioche bun. The brioche bun.
You should have really put the gherkin in there because that bangs as well. The tomato bangs.
I should have tried everything to be fair because I was skeptical about the mayo.
Yeah.
But it's done its justice.
Okay.
Oh my days.
Okay.
Wow,
so, as always, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. See you on the next one.
All the smoke, baby.
Over and out.